And metina ha say abo Kennedy Japan abaso wayade papa he say nipa wo ho me one thing about me ne say I understand say nipa bia e won mfom so ebi mu wo ho a wo fa wo bi fom so na ema won fa mpe nipa kro na asem a eno ano no nipa ne ya papa kra na wo be say o masa nipa we papa wa ye no mi fi no me na sana mete eya Kennedy Japan ne o de ensemba na me amekoye me investigation na me betena se e ka se de Kennedy Japan ka no enya ne kra eya na nkofo fi se metan no dabi Kennedy Japan aya ade bi ama me bom nsem ende ma bom nsem ama na saa Kennedy Japan aya ade na Ghana has say the way Kennedy Japan has taken the coronavirus fight now work on the den no me to me aka say Ghana I have not seen any public figure just say won't make it that much donation towards a coronavirus. Ubon say na Kennedy Japan we import 100,000 nose masks, 100,000 gloves, 100,000 just say so far as I've seen no I have not seen anyone make that much donation towards the coronavirus fight than Kennedy Japan. A lot of people have donated old Omampeni Dada John Mahama onunso ayene de a lot of companies said the Sikaba but what share say Kennedy Japan 1990 eco baby donations equally people especially Kwame Despite Kennedy Japan donation the first donation we na wo betena TV so efre Kwame Despite say Kwame Despite monso they should follow up and check the next day and Kwame Despite any one man the Otani Despite and nampan me fini the yam say Sapon Mr. Sapon Kwame Despite Mr. Sapon e de $100,000 not to say Kennedy Japan the what kind of can wo mu tie e ma wo mu edi so e de na Kennedy Japan ayebium one thing na coronavirus ye ka se Ghana ema ye kechi kakra ne say because so countries be to say South Korea and Singapore sa coronavirus they've been able to overcome it. Now how they overcame the coronavirus ne say womo ye instant testing and mass testing and the Ghana just will be developing symptoms and sana yakwa test it now so scientists ama yati ase say nkrofo 4 e wo coronavirus na out of that 4 people no ba ku bi ebe wo mu a ono no won show symptoms bia na so be kwa he na virus no e wo ne body mu inti say ni pa kon na sa no wo de be cheche nkrofo ni ba ko no won bo wa won ye tipaye won yare ni nti hu say yare no wo ne so ubon say no de yare no e cheche nkrofo later be kwa he no na tesa agency mu because e was say wunya symptoms na ansa na ye testing e wo Ghana ha say inti one challenger ha Ghana inti South Korea for wo mu sa no na wo mo ye ade bi a ye friend instant testing na tre say Ghana ha say ye coronavirus test na e check about 3 days and say na obenya result no inti ye fa say wo bowa na yakwa koye coronavirus test e was say wo twen after 3 days and say na result ne beba. That's the test kit you use to Ghana and there. Into South Korea for a new test kit bia. We a test now just within 5 minutes. Just within 5 minutes. Now when ya a year or results. Into what we be a dance here say and look cry better. And look cry ever fast. And look cry ya testing more people. Because I may test no. Na ebi amaye test no ye fa ne say enda me the story bremo say kaya yo bi ana ye friend say kaya yo say den e wo old fadama a wo koye coronavirus test e na wonya ante ye say wo test positive wo mo be ba say wo mo be fa na quarantine no na we dwane wo mo ye 2 atlende wo mo hu wo mo ye nti ye fa ne say san crofo no na nke ye instant test e ma wo mo a na ke enimu ho na ye test no 5 minutes result ne ba ya pa ne ya fa ne akọ quarantine eno ni pa kro no untumi e ma ne kwan say okay wo de kofie o result ne ba ne ya hwe de be ye da bi won ma ni pa kro no sa kwan no obefa na akọ quarantine no immediately. Kennedy Japan say wo kra sa test kits ni bi every China aba. Wenya contact e wo China nkrofo no sa instant test kits yi wo test just within 5 minutes na wenya result no wo kra ba. Na metie na mebo me nsem de ntia ma mebo me nsem no mpo no ene se bia wakwa akonya test kit na wo kra ba no. Imagine etiefo se ebia me anawo ana any businessman bi na ka de na obeye na ka woti asem we na wo se businessman be na adwen se wo nu mo mbekwa kofa sa test kit na ba na wa ba beton ama aban because we ye ade bia aban kwosoro eba fom kra na obepe so obeto because it will help in the fight against coronavirus. Inti obi a obe na adwen se what the ye business. Inti Kennedy Japan se de obe na se obe kra bebre abagana wakra enye so obe kra kra o se wakra a eba inti ebedu Ghana what the Bema Ghana Health Service say test kits no we instant ones no sa de mu use na eno no e was say nipa ne twen 3 days and san bonya result ni etwem so you see eno ene ye de ye enyama na still yentumi enkuntia eye sa yawe yi inti monji sa instant one yi na mun use na mu use na esan aban ankasa no because Ghana Health Service e aban inti wasi mu use na esan there were no Kennedy Japan be say wo Bema government the contact of no Kennedy Japan ni producers no na wo mo ema no inyama no. And you see, this is one thing that businessmen don't do. Because on that trial say e ade bia ye friend trade secrets. You can say be a trade secret ebia wo kwa China e ko fa nyama eba. Onyama na eye. Obonso bi be bisa say China no onyama wo ko fa no he na wo ko fa wo. Wo bi ani wa wo betrel because onim say ebia won so be kwa ko fa ba na wa say wo no ni business. And you say bia the person is being greedy. Dabi. Uyo bia wo ye businessman na unim say enyama bi wo ho a eni kwan say o man crofo te. A trade secret. Nti Kennedy Japan so we forget about sa ade no. Na what the contact na ama aban. Na afa aban hu ne say okay. Sisi a test kits na ye hia ne bebrebe no, ye benya fi nkrofo we ho. Kennedy Japan ama yen contact no. Nti yen konko famra. Obi be bisa say e ba ne say na Kennedy Japan no nya contact no. Ne try say he has a lot of Chinese businessmen. Kennedy Japan wa sha say wo ye business for China enye nde intino wonimi nkrofo e China ho. He has a lot of business partners in China. Into obviously about one of these business partners no and actually say wo mo elenkin no ati ase intino asemo America ne say yembo Kennedy Japan abaso waya ade papa. For me, this is one thing I'll praise him for. Second, Japan ya there be near so say near Babontin bekan. It is just right. So what ya there na I was say ya Babontin na your son so den e ba bekan. He has really done well. For I'll not lie to you. He has really done well. Me see the first time I met say second Japan akoye donation of 100 I say are these people real? And I make say dabi. My men son so enkoye checks in here. Because I say wow. 100,000. Hey, now 100,000 ekra no. Imagine, say no smarts no. What oba ko bia 1 cedi kra na e say no. Asema maybe some no. Me say imagine, say no smarts no. E 1 cedi kra na 100,000 na wato no e say no. Why me go so America say a year 100,000 say ade ne kanye 100,000 for website be GhanaShowbiz.com. You see ade ne 100,000 na Kennedy Japan do the you see 200,000 mum me put 100,000 na me kike mu no you see Kennedy Japan e 200,000 no maximum e no donate here. Oh, Kennedy Japan has really done well. He has really done well. Na nini name no, it is showing say indeed he has love for Ghanaians. Embre bi say osikeni bia onimza ade we yemfa ne ho because obehye ne fie aso ne air ko ne si ne so na one na yere ene ne mba tifie no mo chile wo ma akoto akokọ nam ebegu fie bebre everyday no mu di osikeni insikafo bebre ade we si inform ho wo mu shomu fie no mo chile. You see, so this is one thing that we need to praise him for. Comment box no me